Welcome to Nisimax. Today topic is dairy farming. In rural India, a large number of farmers depend on animal husbandry as a source of livelihood. Dairy farming is also an important source of livelihood for farmers. In many villages, the villagers have formed milk cooperatives. A famous example is the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, which own the brand Amul. These milk cooperatives buy milk from the villager and take it to the city to sell. Thank you all.